Today I'm excited to show you this LED light box. This is a Copier light box. I love the structure of it. It comes in this box right over here. So when you open it up, it comes protected like this, and it's very thin. So you see how thin it is. Slim structure. You can carry it anyway. So in the box you also have the LED charger right here. First thing you have to do is charge it up, and to charge it up you want to put the charger in here. Once you do that, you can now start using it. So I'm going to turn it on. The on button is right over there. You can turn it on, and as soon as you turn it on, you see how it looks. So I'm going to demonstrate how I use this LED light box tracer. I am going to put the paper that I'm going to trace over here, and then this is the paper that I want to trace it on. So now you can see the drawing. It's so nice. The light is vibrant and it bleeds through. So the light comes through, it's very vibrant, and I can see what I want to trace like this. And then of course I can use my pencil and I'll be able to trace everything right here. The light doesn't hurt my eye, so it's very gentle, and then also it doesn't give you that flickering effect. As you can see, you're not seeing any flickering effect of the light. One thing that I also like is I like how soft and how bright, how soft the coloring is, you know, the lighting around it. And I do have enough space for more pictures. This is a A4 box, so you can use it for bigger paper. And I love that it is so portable. You can take it anywhere you go to. It is very portable, and also you can charge it anywhere. So I've done a little bit of tracing, so I'm going to turn back the light for you to see what it looks like. So as you can see, I was able to trace some of the stuff in here. So yeah, but it's a good quality. If you have an art lover or someone that loves painting, this is something that you can give to them as a gift. You have a wide application, you have a wide area. Professionally, you have that A4 LED lighting, which is great if you're doing like something like medical imaging, animation, stenciling, and even using scrap paper, or even different things like tattoo drawing or 5D diamond painting. You can use this. Use it on the go, and it's very durable. Absolutely love it.